So hey Android developers, you are here because your JKS might be corrupted or your JKS might be lost, or there is one more issue here. You are facing this issue while uploading the application again on the Play Store. Like your application is already on the Play Store, but now you are uploading the new version of the application. So what is the solution of that? There is one solution, like we have to reset our JKS file. So how we can do that? So we have just three steps. Simple. We have to create a new JKS file, then go to Google Play Console and generate a new .pem file. Then we have to request upload key reset in the Play Console. So let's start with the first option. So I have created the new JKS file. As you can see here, here is my new JKS file. So I just have to go to the Play Console and generate the .pem file. So here in the Play Console, you just have to click on the test and release and then app integrity. After that, you have to scroll a little bit down, and as you can see here, play app signing, you have to click on the settings, then again scroll down, and simple, you are here with the request upload key reset. You have to click on the request upload key reset. So here there are multiple options. We have to click on the first one, that I lost my upload key. Then as you can see here, generate a new upload key. That means here Google Play is saying us that generate a new JKS file that we already did. So we have to copy this command, go to the folder here where we stored our JKS file, right click, open in terminal, and just have to paste this command, Ctrl Shift and V. We have to remove the $sign because we do not need it. And here you have to write your Keystore name. My Keystore name is similar, so I do not have to write again my Keystore name. As you can see, upload keystore.jks, upload keystore.jks, and here we have to add our alias name. So in this case, my alias name is alias, and we just have to enter. Here it's asking Keystore password. So this is the password that you have set when you are creating the JKS file. So I am entering my password. Click on enter. As you can see, here is my PEM file. Why we are calling it PEM? Because its extension is .pem. As you can see here, we can simply close this, and here we have our .pem file, right? So we have to open the Play Console and we have to upload this .pem file, right? So you simply have to upload the PEM file. After that, you can see, just a second, after that you can see here like this, that there is one pending request for resetting the upload key store of this app, and you received one email like this. Here there is one package name of your application, there is a new SHA key of your application, and here is a date and time. So after this date and this time, your new JKS key will be valid, and you can use the new JKS key while uploading your application again. So thank you so much guys. Please like, subscribe if you found this helpful.